In this video, we will cover returning rejected goods to a vendor using the PO return function in Axacute. At the home page, click on the Outgoing button. Select PO return. At the purchase order return page, select the warehouse to return the goods. Click on the search button to select the purchase order. Click on the next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all the items that you have received under this purchase order. Select the corresponding item to return. In the return page, first, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the item location and the lot barcode label on the item. You can simply update the unit of measure and enter the corresponding quantity if you have set up a unit of measure conversion prior to this. For goods returned to a vendor, it is mandatory to specify a reason code. This is especially useful for you to trace all your returns. Click on the Process button to proceed. If the return is successful, a success message will be prompted. Thank you for watching this video.